Hi guys, mapay pag-abot na mo gikan ni nag-grocery. Finally na natin nakapalit na tag itlog no, di na nato maprito iyahang itlog kaya nakapalit na tag itlog. Duha ka tray atong napalit para kas man gumig itlog no, kada kuan halos kada adlaw kuan itlog. Kadalasan itlog sa ka buntag. So siya may hilig itlog. Di makakanig kuan.
See.
O niya, saging food. Kay hilig po na siya. You like banana, no? Your favorite banana?
Are those ripe?
Yeah, I think this
Not
is
like the
ripe
other
already. Pwede naman din siya makao, no? Paano siya nga saging lakatan? We call this lakatan.
Oh, this is soft. Okay. Lakatan?
Yeah, lakatan.
Lakatan.
And then, palit food ko ani. Ano si tawag ani?
Oh, magic soap.
Magic soap.
Magic soap.
Kaning bubbles. Ganahan kay ko ang bubbles kay sa word pa lang na bubbles kusog jud siya mubuwa. Nya, kuan siya ba mas barato kaysa Joy? Joy to ang amuan niya karon kani kay mas barato. Nya na siya free nga gloves. Free nga gloves. So and what else did we buy?
Water.
Water.
Lots of water.
Lots of water. Nagpalit pud ko og kuan kalabasa.
Carrots. We got carrots.
That's not carrots. This is carrots.
There
Oh,
it
this
is.
is
There's
carrots.
the carrot.
We said carrots, not carrots. How you say it?
Carrot.
Carrot. We call it
Carrots.
carrot. Basta Bisaya, carrots. Diba?
What do you call this?
Kanya-
Squash?
Yeah, kalabasa.
Calabasa.
Yeah, we call it kalabasa. This one, what's this?
Calamansi.
Calamansi.
To go with my beer.
O, kani, kaya din gini mawala sa ato ang loto, no? Magpares gini sila permi ang Bombay ug ang sibuyas. No? Oh. Magkuan dai ko karon guys, magmarinate dai ko karon sa kuan unsa tawag gali? Sa pork nga amo ang i-barbecue para ugma. So mas nindot jud siya i-overnight i-marinate para mas tuhop gid iyang lasa. No? So tugasan sa ni natong saging no kay. Ngayon, ani basad mo guys, basta namoy mapalit nga mga prutas, inyo sang hugasan no, sa inyo kaunon. Hugasan sa para limpyo. Sige na lang na akong ilok ha, kay itong kaya na. Okay. I'm gonna, ano di ay, no? I'm gonna cook Angie's chicken.
Okay.
I mean, carrots.
Okay.
Okay. Magkuan di ita guys, no? Maglaga di ita ng carrots para sa amo ang dog. Kay mga maniiyahang kinaon.
So, 20 pack of beer is
Did you take your pills?
oh no,
Heartburn?
don't do that.
So, yun na. Di lang nato na siya balatan o kuan todo. Saging man ani oh. Ayan siyang tungaon. Ato ano siyang pabukhalan hangtod na. Mulambot siya, guys. No. Abutin natin ang mga tala. Saan mo na akong vlog? Ang cute, no? Cute ka yung gloves, guys. Nasa lang pa free sa gloves. Cute. And then, magkuan day ko, guys. Mag-marinate ko sa kuan. Mag-marinate ko sa manok. I mean, baboy day ay manok. Daara. Ito na siyang barbecue hon.
Smell the calamansi.
Yeah.
Yep.
Smell good, no?
Smells good. Smells like that lemon juice we were drinking.
Yeah.
Are you gonna cut the chunks up smaller?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
For like bite size.
Yeah, because those are too big.
Yeah.
And I like them a little crispy on all the edges.
Mm-hmm. Uh-oh.
What happened?
Fell. Pinaka-hate na ako no ang kaning mag-peel og kanang kuan. Mag-peel og garlic. Nya di man pud yung ganahan mo palit anang na kuan na kanang na-peel nga kanang nasa grocery. Kay mas gusto man ako murag feel na ako mas fresh man ang ingon ani. So no choice.
so, not based on what we know so far. Most of the actions are outside of DC. In fact, all of them that will.
That's what happens when you do that. The evidence goes back to that case.
Obviously, it's quite clear that this is something that could happen on such a big stage, and thankfully, our government was able to intercept what was happening.
Go back.
And communicate with the people that were involved.
Licking, I'm gonna give you another bath. Gary, no licking.
Ito siyang in marinade. Slice ni natin, no? Saan na yung slice, no? Slice na to siya, guys. Pang pa...
No, of course, Dana, and I think that really born here and didn't have the right citizenship. He was granted this
Okay.
ability to stay here, and then when we allow him that right, look at what happens. So I think that this goes to a bigger conversation, and it really shows that the Trump policies of trying to remove people that should not be here are quite important. And look,
Ngan ani siya.
DHS is now confirming moments ago that we suspected ringleader accused of plot to carry out a mass casualty attack in the U.S. even the White House last Sunday is a new immigrant, Abraham Alvarez, 31-year-old from Mexico, who came here as a child. And his wife survived and been arrested.
So, di ara, guys. Siya pang sa atong. Ato na siya butangan og black pepper, calamansi. I-apil na natong liso, di bitaw ni makuan. Di man ni ma-apil pag tuhog. Ito. Butangan na ito ketchup. Ketchup. Gahi lagi ni ba? Agara. Ketchup. Soy sauce. Asukal. So guys, tansya-tansya lang ning ako ha kay di jud ko mo measure. Pag ako ang magluto, tansya-tansya ra jud ko. So, oopsie. And then, kailangan ko gamay na oyster sauce. Gamay nga oyster sauce, less sodium ni siya na oyster sauce. Guys, limpyo na akong kamot ha. Ato ning lugay-lugayon. Na pa rin nakalimot. My love!
Yeah?
Can you give me the Sprite? Kalimot ko na pa the Sprite. Bukang ang gamay. Give me the Sprite.
Where is it?
It's there.
In the refrigerator?
Yeah. Can you pour a little bit here?
Mm-hmm.
Just a little bit. Sprite.
More?
More a little bit. That's good. Ayan na guys, ang ating marinated barbecue pork. So, mas lami pa ni ugma, gyud.
And
Ugnawa,
then
eh.
ketchup, everything. Do I have to cold?
Cool. Can you get the,
Do what?
a thing like this, the big one?
A big flag? Okay.
Mississippi is one of the states where folks are being evacuated after lettuce lands on Arkansas Harbor. Sweat for the area. Water swollen. 180 homes or so. Totally inundated in parts of that state.
Smells good.
So guys, i-barbecue na nato ugma, marinate lang nato siya og mga 24 hours. So ugma sa hapon, pwede siya kuan barbecue lami na kaayo niya. Malasa na siya, di ba?
Overnight.